where, can I just say this? A little scold you. Like, I dare I say, what took you so long?
Thank you.
You know what I mean?
I agree.
Like, what took, like it's done in the kitchen.
Where you been?
You've been cooking, you've been baking,
Yes.
you've been doing so many things.
Yes.
You guys know this culinary world. People love to decorate with it.
Yeah.
But why not? And you've no doubt seen every pan on the market, right?
We have. And I feel like we have taken all of the best in an 11-inch saute, but most sautés are thin and narrow. Ours has a nice depth to it. So you can do chilies, you can do your stews, but you have that non-stick interior, that beautiful aluminum base, which makes it super lightweight. Ooh. That riveted handle. When I tell you we took the best of the best from every pot and pan we've been using, and we worked with truly the best cookware manufacturer out there. They gave us a floral design for two reasons. One, it's adorable when you hang it, and nobody does that, and that's what our brand does. But more importantly, what it actually creates is even heat distribution that runs from the bottom and the base all the way up the sides.
You changed the base of a pan.
Yes, we did.
You changed the base and you changed the lid.
The lid will be the same no matter which color you're picking, so you'll have that beautiful stainless steel, you'll have that etch detail, you'll have that finial here, and it has a little vent here, so when you're cooking things, you have that steam release that comes right through it.
I like it.
Rick, we did it in an ombre, we have stoneware that matches, and we did it in amazing colors. Now, I know this looks gray. We're calling it black, but if you want gray, this is it. It starts black at the base and goes all the way up to your gray. Then we have your green.
Keep going.
We go from that gorgeous hunter green all the way up to that Kelly green.
Ombre.
The interior, gorgeous, absolutely jewel tone look.
I'll be doggone.
Then look at that eggplant. Eggplant detail, again, you have that non-stick coating on the inside. You have the ability to hang it, and you have a great 11-inch saute pan with a cover. It's not super narrow, it's nice and deep.
Bring it home.
Look at the light blue or the blue in the front. You have that deep dark blue all the way up to the top. And then look at that jewel tone center, Rick, when you're looking at, again, the interior there. Matches and coordinates, double riveted handle, nice oversized long handle, ergonomic, so you're gonna have an easy way of cooking.
It is a really, really
take a peek at the red.
well-made handle as you look at that
Thank
red.
you.
It is indeed.
Look at that gorgeous red. Again, finial on the top. We have never, ever, ever done a piece of cookware because we have never found one that checked all of the boxes,
Was this
Rick.
on earlier today?
No, this has never been on.
This has never been on.
And
This
it's
is
already
not on.
customer
So
top
guess what?
rated.
This was not in David's show today?
No.
This is a big, big launch.
Big launch, and it's already customer top rated just from you guys seeing it online. So thank you for that.
Oh my heavens.
All right.
6 easy
Want
pins
to
goes
talk
away
about
at the end of the day.
performance?
Let's do it.
So what are the things we can't do in Temp-tations? We can't certainly put most pieces on the stovetop because it's ceramic. We can't get that beautiful even sear that we can get from our steaks. So look at the beautiful performance that we get. Look at the nice depth here, and I'm not worrying about everything splattering all over, yet I have that great circumference on the bottom of that 11-inch saute. Love that. But I also love the fact that you have that steam release on that lid. So when I'm doing things like my peppers and my onions, I have that non-stick interior, but I have that great caramelization that forms because of that gorgeous aluminum.
I'll tell you one thing you have too here as well. You have really high sides here.
Yes.
So this is a stir-fry dream come true.
Yes.
Right? Because you can saute in this.
You can.
But you can really, really stir-fry without everything flying off the top because it's really deep.
And here's
so the
what I
fry
love.
pan becomes a saute pan. What's the oven safe story?
Oh, great story. So this is going to be oven safe up to 350 degrees. I'm actually going to grab a cobbler, but I wanted you to start to see that just by adding in those eggs, you can already start to see it even heating all the way around. You're not burning certain sides of it. You're actually heating different things. I'm going to move the tea kettle because it's going to drive us all crazy. But let me head on over to the oven real quick because they are oven safe up to 350 degrees.
So what is the actual construction of the piece? Is it aluminum?
It's an aluminum with a non-stick. The reason I went aluminum is because for me, you have that great light weight.
Yep.
Yes, but you're not sacrificing any of the performance. So these oven gloves are coming up 350 degrees and I'm holding this piping hot pan and feeling no heat.
But the handles are really long too.
Nice oversized handle, exactly. When I tell you we worked with the best cookware manufacturer out there to give you everything that I felt was important in a pan. The non-stick, the lightweight, that ergonomic handle, that cook and look lid that gave you the vent in the air, and then of course that great bottom that's decorative to hang, but also beautiful enough to give you that performance up the sides.
This is the launch. Temptation lovers, been waiting and waiting. 1,000 people on the line right now.
You're gonna love it.
$6 brings it home. This is, you know what, 30 meals, 30 entrees, 30 lunches, 30 days and nights to try it out. This is called black, but it's actually looking great. But just like those beautiful pictures and gray, grayish, white, guess what? Go for it. Don't wait on that gray. 500 go around in that brand new gray. This is a really pretty subtle green.
Yeah,
you can
it
see
goes from that dark green to the bottom, the jewel tone on the inside, all the way up to that Kelly green.
350 degrees in the oven. Cook and look lid. Long handle, riveted, not screwed on.
Look at that purple. When I
purple.
tell you, it is absolutely stunning. That gorgeous jewel, that gorgeous, beautiful purple at the bottom.
Why shouldn't your cookware look pretty while you're in the kitchen, right?
Well,
While you're cooking?
You're
Spending
talking to
more
me.
time? Yep.
I mean, it's got to be pretty. It's got to be
comes the
practical,
blue.
and it's got to work. There's that blue. Now, notice that base, that floral base. Why is it important? Two reasons. One, it looks so great when you're hanging it, but two, it creates that even heat from the base of the pan all the way up the side.
Change the
Yes.
base of a pan.
Yes.
First time in 33 years in the cube. You got a different bottom of the pan, girl.
Yep.
Yes. You calling this red?
Yeah, that is our red, yes. That has, of course, your great deep red at the bottom.
Doesn't it make the food look great as well?
Yes.
There you go, making you hungry. 500 to go around there. Never ever been seen before. It's also thick. So now I got 350 degrees, right? I'm sensing plastic utensils probably
Yes,
best, right?
great idea.
Great.
Yep. Great.
And then what
Silicone.
about, let's talk about cleanup.
Yeah, cleanup. So we recommend that you hand wash it just like we would all of your good cookware.
Right.
Because this is that performance, that good cookware. So look at that, even heating all the way around. Notice again, that caramelization, nothing sticking. So do you see all that caramelization right there? Notice how I'm literally wiping it up and wiping it clean. That's what I want to show you, that even if you do have a burn on, even if you do, again, scorch something on here, you literally can wipe this out with a paper towel. That's how great that non-stick is. Rick.
Aluminum exterior, but a stainless steel handle,
That's
oversized,
right.
riveted on. Temptations now with the first ever pan. Is this the first ever pan in 18 years?
Yes.
Wow. I love it, and it's about time because everybody's ready for it. So here we go. Easy Pay goes away at the end of the day. Color update. Black most popular. 300 can be had, then it's going to be gone. Here comes the green. Here comes our purple, eggplant purple. 600, here's our blue, and here is our red. You want the red? 400 can be had. Here we go. Okay, 49582. Hey, we got more coming up here. Man, oh man.
Let's do it.
We love those pictures. The pan is here.
I
and
told
now
you, lots of new today.
we have a reason to use these gloves, that brand new pan, and a reason to use the pan, we got these brand new gloves. These gloves are back, and here we go.
So I want to show you just while we're standing here, Rick, before we get over to the colors. You've been listening to that tea kettle.